Hi, this is Dr. MVRao. Today we are going to discuss low glycemic fruits. Low glycemic fruits have lots of advantages. Number one, they don't raise the blood sugar as much as other foods. They are useful for diabetics. They prevent diabetes to some extent. They are heart healthy, good for heart patients. And they don't cause liver problems, fatty liver like that. They are good for kidneys. They are excellent for weight reduction. So, low glycemic fruits are very important to keep up fitness and good health and for weight reduction. What is glycemic index? Glycemic index is the power or potential to raise the blood sugar after being digested compared to pure glucose. Pure glucose has 100 glycemic index. Compared to that, what glycemic index? The other carbohydrates, the carbohydrates present in the fruits, foods and all have. So, low glycemic index fruits we are going to discuss today. Before going into the subject, please see the video till the end, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Low glycemic index means below 55 score, above 55, 56 to 70, it is moderate glycemic index. If it is more than 70, 71 and above, high glycemic index score. Very few fruits have high glycemic, most of the fruits have low to moderate glycemic index. We will start with low glycemic index fruits and go to the higher ones. We start with cherries. Cherries have only glycemic index score of 20. They have lot of potassium, fiber, antioxidants. Because of that, they have great immunity power and useful. All these fruits are useful, particularly in this pandemic of COVID. Next in the order comes grapefruit, not the grapes, grapefruit. Glycemic index score is 25 and lot of vitamin C, and all the citrus fruits have vitamin C, and most of the citrus fruits have a lot of fiber, and then vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K. Because of the fiber, they are useful, good for constipation, for patients who suffer from constipation. Then comes dried apricots. GI score of 32, has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin E and copper and other minerals. Also contains lot of fiber. But dried fruit, any dried fruit, you should take limitedly because of the sugar present. So, portion should be limited. Next comes pears, which has a score of 138. Pears have a material called anthocyanins. Along with fiber, they have a lot of vitamins also. Then the king of fruits, apple. There is a saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. The score is hardly 39. It is gut friendly. It keeps the healthy bacteria in the gut called commensals. It has many minerals, iron, vitamins, etc. So, good for heart patients. In general, good to keep and fitness healthy and happy. After apples, oranges. A score of 40 gives oranges a good power. Oranges have a lot of vitamin C. They also are in the citrus side, but juice have to be avoided. All the fruits, don't juice the fruits. Just eat the fruit along with the pulp. Then only you get a lot of fiber and the benefits of the fruits. Avoid as far as possible fruit juice. Then in the order comes plums, having 40 GI index with lot of fiber as usual, useful for constipated patients, and also it has a lot of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. And then strawberries, not only strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, whatever berries, they are all useful, having a lot of fiber, vitamin C, and having only 41 glycemic index score. So they are good for keeping your fitness as well as bringing down our weight. It has a lot of polyphenols which act as antioxidants, prevent the disease. And then avocado, although costly, it has good other benefits. The glycemic index is hardly 40. Then it has lot of what we call the fat content. The fat content is healthy fat. It has healthy fat. Manoheptulose it has, which is good for health, particularly for diabetics. It won't raise the blood sugar at all. It can be taken as much as you want. It has fiber also, which is very useful, and other vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, all these. So next in order comes peaches. Excellent. Peaches have lot of minerals like zinc, K, potassium, calcium, and also lot of fiber, useful for constipated patients. Then comes grapes. Grapes are good for constipated patients as well as keeping the fitness and bringing down the weight. It has a glycemic index of 53 grapes. Then it has minerals, antioxidant capacity, and fiber also is present. Next comes guava. Very little glycemic index, maybe 15 to 20 or even less than that. Lot of fiber, particularly useful for diabetic patients. Then there is another fruit called tamarind fruit. You can eat it. It's very good with vitamins, vitamin C particularly. The sour taste is good and full of fiber and vitamins. Then comes in order called passion fruit. Although not available here, in cities it is available. Passion fruit, it has lot of immunity power, can prevent lots of diseases if you take. Then sorso fruit, 32 glycemic index with fiber, lot of water also present in this fruit. Then comes star fruit, which has a glycemic index of 36. That also contains lot of water. It decreases the blood sugar, useful for diabetics. It has a lot of potassium, calcium, fiber, iron and such things, minerals. Then another fruit called persimmon with a glycemic index score of 50, with fiber, water, lot of minerals in it. Mostly Japan it is available, in some of the southeastern countries also it is available. Then we have mangoes, particularly seasonal mangoes are very good with a glycemic index score of 55, lot of fiber, minerals and antioxidants. Seasonal mangoes are good. All these fruits, if you eat them in their season, they will give you good results. Then remember, even fruits should be eaten limitedly, only 2 servings per day, about 160 grams of fruit. If you eat more, you will get cirrhosis of liver, then fatty liver, that leads to cirrhosis. So, all the fruits contain fructose 50% and sucrose. So, this fructose is a sugar which has to be absorbed only by the liver and then send it to the other cells. Liver can absorb only 80 to 100 grams of fructose per day. That is why you should not eat more than 150 or 200 grams of fruits which contain less than 100 grams of fructose. So, avoid using the fruits, avoid eating too much of fruit, although it is good. Too much of anything is too bad. Eat moderately. This contains lot of wisdom in this, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and send it and share it with your friends. Thank you for keen listening. Thank you very much.